we got out of the car and they started yelling and stuff like that, and then Benny started beating the car.
Did you lose it, Odie? Did you lose it? I'll get it right. Odie's playing with Lily's toys. There it is. Yeah, no, that was good. Odie seems to like Lily's toys a lot. You're playing in her tunnel and with her ball, and she's just watching. Lily. Yeah, you're just watching him play with your ball? Maybe you and Odie can play catch. He keeps going through your tunnel. How old are you again, Odie? 15? What is that in human years, like 80? Pretty good ball playing. Alright, sorry this was so NYPD blue, but it's pretty rare to find Odie playing like that by himself, so I had to catch it on video, right? Had to catch it on video. You never know when you're going to catch the old Odie monster playing. Yeah! Yeah, it was nice of you to share your toys with him. That was nice of you, Lily Boo. Whoa. Looks like the balls that Grandma Jean gave you for Christmas when you were a munchkin are a very good present now. Yeah, we seem to like them a lot. All right, say bye-bye. Lily. Lily, can you wave bye-bye? Lily.